Hello and welcome to Zimist Coded. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a voting poll in WhatsApp to help your group make decisions easily. Whether it's for contributions, event planning, or any decision making, this feature is super handy. Let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the group where you want to create the poll. Now tap on the attachment icon. That's the paperclip icon at the bottom right. Then select Poll from the list of options. Enter the poll question. In the question field, type your question. For example, how much should be contributed towards the funeral? Now enter your options. You can add as many as needed. Here we'll use option 1, $1,000, option 2, $2,000, option 3, $3,000, option 4, $4,000. To rearrange the options, just long press and drag an option to move it up or down. Since we want people to select only one option, toggle off the Allow Multiple Answers option. Now that everything is ready, tap the Send icon to post your poll to the group. Members can now vote, and you'll see the results update in real time as they respond. You can also tap View Votes to see who voted for which option. And that's it. You've successfully created a voting poll in WhatsApp. It's fast, easy, and helps you gather opinions efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more practical tech tips.